Yes, hello everyone. This is Noshin here from Upstra Communications Ltd. And I welcome all of you to our webinar, which is on digital transformation in the pharmaceutical sector. So let me introduce myself first. We will just quickly start the webinar. And of course, we have our whole team here joining with us. So let me just introduce myself first. So this is Noshin Sharmin. I am actually doing my job as account manager of Upstra Communications Limited, and with me we have Mr. Taib Khan, who will be also presenting here, and also one of my colleagues, Ms. Farah, will be also one of the speakers in our webinar.
Hello,
So,
everyone.
Hello, everyone.
All right, so let me just quickly start the webinar. So the purpose of our webinar is to give you an idea about the pharmaceutical sector. And of course, we will give you a short demonstration of how the pharmaceutical sector, works, and how the Google Cloud can play an important role in our life in the healthcare sector and also the pharmaceutical sector. So let's say, like, how many of us, recall that incident that happened at Khaja Tower, right? So it's just few days back, and imagine having all the confidential data stored in a server that suddenly got burnt away, and all the necessary information are lost because your backup data center is also in the, same location, right? So now think of having a virtual data center that completely manages your data, and there is no fear of the data center burning down. This is the concept of the cloud. So cloud is a metaphor for data center. And of course, the most common of the types of cloud is a public cloud, of course, where resources are offered by a third party via the internet for organizations or individuals who want to use them. Just like that, Google Cloud is a public cloud that manages all the resources virtually, and you pay for what you have used. So if you can see my screen, let me just go back to my slide that I'm presenting here. So Upstra Communications Limited is a partner in Bangladesh with Google Cloud. So basically, since I have already mentioned that we are going to focus on the problem identification and also the solution for the pharmaceutical sector, so we will be focusing on this particular sector, and of course, inshallah, there will be many more sessions in other sectors as well. And we really appreciate all of your presence in our webinar. So let's start then. So Upstra Communications Limited, right? We are the premier partner of Google Cloud. So let me just, give you an idea. So we are the largest billing partner of Google Cloud in Bangladesh. And of course, we are a partner of Google Workspace. And recently we have, achieved the premier partnership, first ever premier partnership with Google Cloud in Bangladesh. So we are the only premier partner, locally, presenting Google Cloud to our customers. So you can imagine like the benefits and also the facilities that you can get from us as a premier partner in Bangladesh. So we actually started our journey 2 years back, and of course we gradually got the partnership with Google Cloud and Google Workspace, and there will be many more partnerships which I will be presenting in other slides as well. So as you can see, why Upstra, right? Let me just go back to my slide. Okay. So however, let's say just give you a general example how our daily life works, right? So in order to prepare a lunch, right, you are often late in the office. Just like you, numerous employees face the same problem. So the office does decides to charge a service let's say 1500 taka per month for the lunch, right? The management of the lunch is what Google Cloud does. So the customer does not have to worry about maintaining, their resources, and rather can focus on the operation works. So Google Cloud Platform is Google's virtual toolbox to manage and build websites and applications in the cloud. So Upstra Communications Limited being the largest billing partner and of course first ever premier partner of Google Cloud Platform, we actually provide maximum discount benefits in of course Google services, and of course local support is there with us Upstra Communication, and of course we will actually make our customers very comfortable in terms of understanding their requirement, because of course in Bangladesh we are used to this culture, right? Google is an international platform, so we know how our psychology works, how people think about using a service, right? So we are in the middle of customers, as at the same time Google, we actually make the whole chain understandable, and communicate the whole process very properly. So additionally, we are the partner, like I said, we are the partner of Google Workspace. We also provide some cybersecurity solutions, right? Apart from Google Cloud. So we became a partner of Mandiant, which is now a part of Google Cloud, right? So I would now give the floor, to one of my colleagues, Miss Farah, who is the success manager in our company. So let me just introduce my colleague who will be presenting rest of the presentations. Thank you so much. All right. Sorry for the delay. I think one of my colleagues is having a technical issue. Just give us 1 minute so that she will be presenting rest of the presentations. Uh, so in the meantime, one of my colleague joins. So let me just share one slide over here. So the clients that we have, right? So we are currently working as a partner of Google Cloud with BRAC NGO, right? There is T Sports, and there is Banglalink. We are also working with Meghna Group of Industries. We have also customers like bdnews24.com, and of course, we have other customers, Teleport, which is a concern of Sheba Group of companies, and Sheba Technologies, which is also a concern of Sheba Group of companies. Let me just give you an idea about this slide. So I think one of my colleagues is ready to speak, right? So I'm just giving the floor to one of my colleagues.
Hello everyone, I'm Farah Maharin, the Senior Customer Success Manager of Upstra Communications. And today I'll tell you about a case which is a really compelling case study about Spimaco. And Spimaco is a Saudi Arabian named pharmaceutical company. It distributes around 1 billion units across 190 product lines a year. It has expanded its operations across 16 countries, and it is aiming to become the leading pharmaceutical company in the Middle West and North. As Spimaco is growing, its place is increasing large large demands of its legacy cloud solutions with Google Cloud. Now, Spimaco kicked off its digital transformation journey with a survey of its existing technological environment, beginning with SAP. As you all know what SAP is an enterprise resource planning solution, and as Spimaco was already running with an older version of ERP system that was due to its end of maintenance period by 2021. It is now working closely with Google Cloud now to educate its team, and Google Cloud make the most of its advantage with Google Cloud. Now Google Cloud is offering them in-depth trainings, free workshops, also hands-on testing, so that they could learn every aspect of Google Cloud and adapt to it is adapt it to it smoothly. I'm now giving the floor back to our head of IT, Mr. Taib Khan, who will tell us about the Google Cloud solutions in the pharmaceutical sector and how it can benefit us in the long run. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone, staying with us. Let me share my screen. So I think it's visible, right?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Okay. So this is Taib here. So let me start with the some of our current challenges in pharmaceutical industries. Some of our industry colleagues some days earlier reported us they are facing some problem with regulatory compliances issues. It might be some IAP data are already in. They can share their IP data through the cloud, and they are in regularity compliance. So this is one of the most effective challenge in our industries as well, financial industries as well. So we have also some challenges like data security and privacy, and some other challenges like research and development bottlenecks also occur frequently, and also some scalability and flexibility issues in local IT infrastructure. They can scale their infrastructure, they can flexible with their infrastructure frequently with their on-prem data center. This is the current challenges, and regulatory compliance may be overcome by the Google Cloud as well as by hybrid cloud, and also data security and privacy. They can ensure their data security and privacy is. Sorry, I'm sorry. Back to my call. Thank you. I'm saying about the current challenges about our current pharmaceutical industry. So how Google Cloud can help to overcome these challenges to pharmaceutical sector. So first of all, they can overcome with the hybrid solution. They can take the data security and privacy solution from Google Cloud, and also they can build and research their development tools through the Google Cloud, and also they can scale their infrastructure as much as possible, right? So with their infrastructure modernization, huge infrastructure and modernization tools are available here in Google Cloud to scale their infrastructure uh, from as well as horizontally as well as vertically, right? So why Google Cloud here? Google Cloud here to give the reliability and security, and also to maintain the compliances. So if anyone can wants to ensure their compliance, like PCI DSS for financial organization, and also anyone can wants to move their ensure their compliances with HIPAA or GDPR. Such compliances they can ensure with the Google Cloud, right? So they can secure their infrastructure with Security Command Center, Cloud Armor, the various tools that they can protect their data, and also uh, ensure their data safety and security. So we have also some data analytical tools and also machine learning capabilities. They can analyze their data, and also scale, as I mentioned earlier. It is also Google Cloud is here to give a cost-effective solution as well, and some more important collaborative tools. You can collaborate your environment, office environment here with some collaborative, nice and good looking collaborative tools, like for mailing solution, for Google Meet like solutions, and also for meeting and to event to ensure their events, to managing their events with Google Calendar, and also some other tools, collaboration tools are available with Google Cloud, right? So and last not the least, but marketplace, one of the good and giant huge marketplace here in Google Cloud. So from here he can search and explore their required products from the marketplace, and this is easy to integrate with their existing product and enhance their productivity as well, right? So as I mentioned, the key features, they can leverage these features to explore the GCP. Some of here I'm mentioning here, they can explore the Google's data storage solution and data management solution to manage their huge and big amount of unstructured data, and also can use the machine learning for drug discovery and development, and also use the analytical tools, the most powerful analytical tools to for market research and forecasting, and also the security and compliances based solutions that I already discussed earlier, and some collaborative tools to collaboration with the all other office equipments, right? So yeah, what I'm saying, the KPG healthcare, the KPG healthcare is healthcare system that they are using Google Workspace to enable their business continuity and introduce a new way of medical consultation in APEC especially. So they are using Google Calendar, they are using Google Mail to scheduling events, email communication, and docs, and also sheets to collaborate each other to work with the same document in the real time. And finally, the Google Meet to online for online meeting, Google Forms, and sites also to collect customers' feedback, and also to run surveys related with their services. So they are one of the largest pharmaceuticals, healthcare company. Uh, they are leveraging Google Workspace products to uh, uh, accelerate their business and also to increase their productivity to their system. So one another company, the Recursion Pharmaceuticals. So they are using AI-enabled pipeline finds, so treatment for rare diseases. So actually, they are using the power of Google Cloud, right? So they are using the CPU for microscopy, for cellular-based image processing. They are using deep learning models, right? So they are leveraging the TensorFlow and also integrating their local and cloud operations with a modern infrastructure with Google Kubernetes engine. So Anthos is the tools. So from where they are using the Kubernetes on their on premises. So yeah, we already mentioned the Spimacool. They are using the SAP on Google Cloud, right? So these are the most few companies they are working with Google Cloud. And now right now we will use some other Google Cloud products and Google features and benefits, and how Google Cloud works, and how it we can use, and how the tools look like, and how can we start with Google Cloud, right? So here the console. So Google Cloud is very easy, and so some misconceptions already here in the market, that Google Cloud is very critical and it's very tough, we can't use, and it's a very critical, one of the most critical cloud platform. No, I say it's a very easy, very simple console panel. You can use within a single console panel, you can manage each and everything. You can manage your infrastructure, you can manage your network, you can manage your storage, you can manage your organization, your projects, your billing, each and everything from a single console panel. See, very single, very simple and flat panel. So here is a screenshot of console panel Google Cloud. So if you can visit the console panel as well. So console.cloud.google.com. Here we can see the navigation menu. From here we can explore all of these features, products, and everything from this navigation menu by clicking this navigation menu. Here is the organization, and then under this some of our project, we can deploy our projects under this organization. You can create your own organization, and then you can put your projects, and finally you can deploy your resources under your project, right? Under your specific project. So from here you can see the cloud shell. So you can click here to explore the shell. If you are familiar with to work with the command line, so you can work with the cloud shell as well. And also a notification button here. So from here you can see each and every notifications, any event related triggers, any alerts, any activities, you can see from by clicking this notification button, right? So it's very easy, and it's a very and it's here also a search button here. So from here you can search each and everything, and can explore your desired product and deploy easily. You can deploy and also run your required services, right, from this console panel. So this is the easiest console panel ever I saw from any other cloud panels, right? So from here you can manage your IAM. So from the navigation menu, you can select the organization, you can manage resources, you can manage the IAM. So you can control identity and access management, right? So you can activate your here is the navigation menu. You can see all of these features, API and services, and you can manage the marketplace products here. From here, you can subscribe your marketplace product. You can integrate here. You can see the billings from here. You can control your project billing. You can trigger and budget and alert your billings. You can see individual project level billings, individual resource level billings. You can also customize any types of billings related issues from here, and also some billing reports. You can generate any customized billing reports from here, from beginning to ending, from any customized date, any month wise, day wise, project wise, or any SQID wise. You can generate any types of bill from here. So you can manage your cloud storage, as I mentioned earlier. From the same single panel, you can you can ensure each and everything. So you can ensure the compute engine, you can manage each and everything. You can deploy, manage compute engines. You can also control from the navigation menu. The Google Kubernetes engine, one of the most modern application, right? So to containerize, if you have a modern infrastructure and you can containerize your application, you can manage rapidly from here with GKE, right? So this is Google Cloud's panel. You can manage everything, right? So here we can see the if we click the button of Cloud Shell, you can deploy each and everything over here in the command line, right? You can manage your resources, you can deploy infrastructure, and you can edit your code and deploy your code from command line as well. So if we consider high availability, right? So if we consider a hybrid networking, right? So so if we can use it simply with Google Cloud. Here I'm using some real life examples to show how can we deploy hybrid cloud, how can we avail a free account, free tier account, and also how can we configure this. It's very easy. So if we consider this architecture, right? So we have some application, or we already have some application that you have some compliances issues that I mentioned earlier. You have a database, so you can't uh, put your data to the database to the Google Cloud. This is your compliance issue, right? So and you need a faster application for your user, and faster experience to use and serve your user data from globally, right? So how you can deploy this? How can you ensure the connectivity, right? So we can deploy a hybrid model or hybrid cloud solution such way, right? So this is our Google GCP infrastructure. We can deploy a virtual machine here, right? So so sorry, this is a on-prem infrastructure. Here we put our database into our on-prem infrastructure, right? So user will directly manage from local router or something else to their to manage their database, right? So from on-prem, if you can configure a cloud VPN, right? So connect with Google Cloud, you can ensure a secure tunnel with Google Cloud, right? To encrypt your data, to create a secure tunnel from on-prem router to Google Cloud router. Then you can transfer your data easily. So you can use all of your Google Cloud resources look like your local LAN, right? So the database and application will be same LAN, same VPC or same IP address, same network. You can ensure this with by deploying this solution. So you can just put virtual, take a Google Cloud VPN solution, and Google Cloud firewall is always free to use, and you can ensure your data security with Cloud VPN firewall as well, right? So if you can deploy a on-prem router to cloud VPN router, a VPN tunnel, then it will work smoothly. Then your hybrid connectivity will be established, right? So it's very easy and pretty good. And now I'm showing how can you deploy this, right? So go to the hybrid connectivity method, connectivity tab from the Google Cloud console, and then you can see a button VPN, right? So you can create a tunnel, VPN tunnel. So by clicking here, and then you can show that there are two more methods to use VPN, right? That one VPN is a classic VPN, and another one is hybrid VPN, right? So by hybrid high availability VPN, right, HAVPN. So high availability VPN is established more than one tunnel with separate internet links, right, from your on premises to Google Cloud, right? So if one of your tunnel goes down, or if the internet goes down, and then another tunnel will come up automatically, and your service will be up within a very short time. No interruption will happen with HAVPN, right? So they will ensure the high availability. And if you use to a cost optimized solution, your workload is not so important. You can take a load of downtime. So you can use also classic VPN also. So classic VPN is a simple. You have to ensure a single tunnel. So if your tunnel goes down, and then your service will be interrupted, you need to ensure your internet or tunnel up each and every time, right? So both models are available here in Google Cloud. You can deploy a HAVPN as also Cloud VPN. It's totally depends upon your request and upon up to your requirement, company's requirement, right? So then you can ensure the tunnel methods. You have to ensure that you have to use a pre-shared key to ensure the security, right? So you have to ensure the remote pairing IP and local IP and the pairing IPs, and then it will come up, right? So it's a pretty simple configuration. Go to the VPN client, HA connectivity, and then select method, and then ensure the tunnel settings, right? So then you can enjoy your services from on-prem to Google Cloud, right? So this is our hybrid connectivity, one of the simple hybrid cloud connectivity method that I discussed here, right? So now I think it's pretty clear each for everyone, and then you can enjoy one more issue. I will share. So very quickly. So how to avail a free account, right? How can you leverage the Google Cloud? If you want to, if you're interested, you can use the Google Cloud features, and you can use Google Cloud Console with a free tier, right? So how to avail a free credit? You can communicate with us that you need some free credit to explore Google Cloud free features, free tier products, and also you can also do it from your site as well, right? So how to do this? How to avail the free account of Google? So just visit here and start free, and just click the button start free, and then you have to put your informations, and they will give you $300 free for 90 days. You can explore Google Cloud free tier products only, or free $300, they will give a $300 free credit for 90 days, right? So another way, if you are a corporate company, you want to explore the Google Cloud free features, you can communicate with us. We will ensure a free credit for you. So that's all from my end. So thank you everyone. Now we can go the next session. Noshin, up to you.
All right. Thank you, everyone, and also for participating, and also thanks to our speakers who presented many solutions for the pharmaceutical sector. And now we are going to have a question answer session. I think many of you have missed a portion of the webinar. So I think we are here to answer all of your queries. So whoever has, got an idea about how the solutions are working, if you can share the specific problem that you have or in your organization, then we will take this forward, and of course we will give you a solution, or we will give you a consultancy on how we can contribute to your problem, right? So I think I'm going to request everyone who can raise your hand first here, and then you can I think raise your question, and Mr. Taib will be answering all of your queries. Does anybody have any queries who wants to tell us how you have got an idea about this webinar, and of course what are the benefits that you can use in your organization? Anybody?
So is there anyone from pharmaceutical sector, or any is there anyone who are using Google Cloud or any other cloud? So thank you. I think if you are not able to speak here, you can also write your queries to us, info@upstra.com. So we will reply accordingly, right? So you can mail us for any types of solution, any types of cloud related queries, or any types of solutions, not only pharmaceutical sector, if any other or in any other sectors, you are most welcome to share your opinions with us.
Thank you, Taib Bhai. I think we can wrap up the webinar today. So I have already shared our email address, info@upstra.com. Please share your queries, and of course, you can always reach out to us via email, giving us what kind of problem you're facing, and we will be getting back to you with a solution. Or of course, our concerned department will give you a call to have a detailed session, and we will take this forward. So thank you everyone for participating to our webinar. So we will be looking forward to your participation in many more webinars that we are going to have next year. So this is, of course, end of this year. So we will be having many effective sessions coming up next year. So we will share the details in our social media pages. So please visit our Upstra Communications Limited Facebook page and LinkedIn page. So we will be giving an update on further webinar. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.